So today we're going to show you something a little bit different. We've just arrived in Poole Harbour on this Merry Fisher 895. We've just picked this boat up from Southampton. And the most important thing to point out is that this boat is powered by a pair of twin Yamaha 200 horsepowers, giving 400 horsepower in total. So this will give you a good feel for what sort of speeds you can do, fuel economy and different rev ranges. We will do a full walkthrough video of this once it gets back to our site in Sandbanks, but it is a very nice example. It's very low hours and a really high spec. Performed really nicely on the way here. We've got some really cool videos that we can show, and what we are going to do now is get the drone up in the air, and we're going to show you some speed tests, see what it can do, show you what sort of performance it does at various revs, and really put it to the test to give you a feel, if you're interested in this type of boat, what sort of performance it does, fuel burn, etc, and give a real good insight into how it performs out on the open sea. We're just going to show you the sea state at the moment. So it is quite nice and calm and flat. We've got pretty low winds. We're quite lucky with our deliveries and trips recently, but yeah, this gives a good feel of the sea state compared to what speeds she'll be doing, which we'll show you any minute now. So as you can see, we are currently pretty much at a standstill. It's nice and flat. I'm going to hold it up here to show you the screens as Captain Richard gives it the beans. We've got a nice camera here as well, which gives us a nice view at the aft end. We've got the drone in the air, courtesy of Chris, so we will see what she does. You can see the rev starting to build. We've got our speeds just here. We'll bring her up to see what we can get out of her to start with. 5,000 RPM. About 30 knots there. It's sitting pretty comfortably currently. Only about 5,000 revs, doing about 28 knots. Come round to the starboard side. So that's quite a comfortable spot. See after that. It's a pretty nice place to be at this speed. Do a couple more turns. So we're just going to show you at a sort of comfortable cruise speed. We come back down the channel. So sitting at about 4,000 RPM. Sitting at a nice 24 knots. Fuel flow, you can see, is around 55 litres an hour. And at these revs, this is very comfortable. You can really get through some miles cruising at this sort of speed, and also keeping pretty economical as well. So again, there we'll now drop down to about 4,000 revs, sitting at 18 knots, which gives you a really good idea of what she does, fuel flow, fuel use.